Devintelle Task Management System. Manage all your tasks in one place with this powerful and easy to use Odoo Task Management app. See all your tasks and projects at a glance with a smart dashboard. Create tasks faster with ready-to-use task templates. Print task report with full details and timesheet entries in PDF. Add and manage checklist to make sure nothing is missed. Add custom field to match your task workflow and needs. Assign or reassign multiple tasks to team members in one click. Set and view task priority to focus on what matters most. Create tasks directly from a list and keep them linked. Track your time on each task with start, pause, and stop timers. Get email reminders before task deadline to stay on time. Auto-assign users when tasks move to certain stage. Each task and project gets a unique ID for easy tracking. Send task details with file directly to the assigned user. Get alerts if you try to close a task with open subtask. Edit key task info directly from the Kanban view quickly. Update many tasks at once, assigns, dates, status, and more. Turn a task into a meeting and switch between them easily. See how many days and task is overdue if finished late. Send reminders when tasks stay incomplete past their deadline. Give daily emails to reminder for pending task work and timesheets. Ready to transform your task manage? Contact us today at 87805 43446 or email at odoo@devintelle.com.